Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam number 30-15-224. This is their Swingmaster Inswing roller kit. And this video is really going to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Not a solid rubber. This is a very, would probably be high on the durometer scale of hardness, but you can tell certainly that it is some sort of flexible material. Let's go over some dimensional properties. This is used on the Besam ICU slider Swingmaster Inswing roller kit. The OD of the wheel itself is 1.244. 1.244. The thickness of the wheel, 0.747. 0.747. Thickness of its shaft, 0.374. 0.374. Then the length of the shaft itself, 0.595. 0.595. Okay, Swingmaster automatic door part. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Besam, part number 30-15-224, Swingmaster Inswing roller kit, or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.